Okay. Hi everyone, it's Riku. I know it's been a while, hasn't it? And I'm not wearing a wig today. And it's because my last video, I posted I had red hair and it was really short. I mean, it's still short, but it's not as bad as it was. You'll have to excuse my voice. I'm still getting over a little bit of a cold. I wanted to share some news with everyone. First off, my hair is blonde. I need to redo it. The color has come out some since I last did it, and yeah, it just needs to be darker. And I am in the midst of doing some wedding stuff. And this is really awesome because I am taking care of all of my wedding things. So all my bridesmaid stuff is done. Once I get a chance, I'll make another video and I'll show you guys what the bouquets look like. And I did this all myself, no help. This was all my idea. I did it from scratch. And trust me, it is a pain to do it from scratch and not have any help. Okay, so, but some stuff that's been going on. I had a little bit of a family issue. My great grandma passed away a week ago from yesterday. And her funeral was this past Wednesday, so things have been pretty depressing here the past few days. All my love goes out to all my family for my great grandma. I mean, there's not much we can do but try to stay happy and keep ourselves positive, you know. But yeah. Also, we adopted a new kitty, and I don't know if I said this or not, but we did. We adopted a new cat, and her name is Yuki, and she's kind of let me show you. Pretty girl. Yeah, she's kind of sunbathing in the basket for our mail. Yeah. She's a silly girl, but she's so sweet. So, yeah, like I said, once I get a chance, I'll make another video. I know I haven't posted any dance videos. I do have one of those on the way. So, yeah, let's try to keep the good vibes going. We're feeling pretty good right now, so we'll keep going. Bye, guys. See you in the next video.